to deduct your chef's plate. Now this is not sponsored, though it could be, but it's already deducted on my YouTube channel for my company. Yeah, because I'm Piper Blush, your financial coach, and I'm gonna show you how to deduct your chef's plate. Starting with honey garlic turkey boiled with bok choy. I heard that bok choy is really good for you from my nutritionist. This one is this one. See? See? Honey garlic turkey bowl. You take this. These ones all go in the fridge. Now you need to find your protein. Usually it's out of the bag. So the thing is, this is the turkey. Minced turkey. You keep it aside. And then what else are we gonna need? Garlic, I think there's a little bit in everything. And then cheese, not a thing. So we're good to go. This in the fridge. This. Oh, this is good. Plus, I added the peanuts for an extra crunch, but they suggested it. This is deliciousness. Plus, there's some veggies in there. Definitely recommend Chef's Plate. You see how easy it was to do? Plus, well, I got an extra one just in case this one was a not good presentation. It's deductible. I'm Piper Blush, your financial coach, and this is how you deduct your chef's plate. For more on how to deduct your life, make sure you subscribe and you hit that like button.